Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to invite members to group Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to invite members to group Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, to create a group, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. Just point the cursor to the left of the screen. Here there are several icons. And tap this three-person icon. Here a menu like this will appear. Select one of your groups. Well, here you have entered the group. And here there are many menu options. Tap the Invite menu in the right corner here. And this menu will appear. Here you are asked to enter the account, number or email of the member you want to invite to your group. After all is done, tap Invite. Here it is finished. Just wait for the member we invite to accept your invitation. So that's it, tutorial how to invite members to group Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.